This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete recently visited Facebook pages. So if you visited some pages on your Facebook and now you want to clear or delete your recently visited pages, follow this step-by-step guide. And the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. Open your Facebook app, tap on menu at the bottom right, settings and privacy, settings, scroll down, tap on manage your post activity, and here select page likes and tap on pages, page likes and interest, and here you will get your recently visited page list. Now note one thing, that here is no option to delete all recently visited pages at once. So all you have to need, just delete one by one. Tap on this three dot, delete. So that's how you have to clear your recently visited Facebook pages on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.